Now let's say that we have applied a watermark on our document and we want to make sure that no one can remove that watermark. So what we can do is we can just go to the review tab and select the restrict editing option, where we can limit the formatting to a selection of the style. So if we select this, we can choose the other settings as well, limiting the formatting of the selection of the styles. So by default, it has selected all the styles that it will limit. If we want to customize this, we can uncheck or recheck according to our requirements. And we can also block or allow other settings. Let's click OK. This document may contain formatting of styles that aren't allowed. Do you want to remove them? We can click yes. Now what type of editing restrictions do you want to apply? We can select this, allow only this type of editing in the document. So what people can do is you can set it to read only, so people can only read the document but not make any changes. Filling in the forms, for example, if we have entered some forms here, what the people can do is they cannot change anything on the face of the document. Rather, they can only fill the forms. They can only comment, or they can only track the changes. So let's say I set it to read only, and in the read only, whole document will not be editable. Any single part cannot be edited. So no part can be edited. Let's say I want only this line to be editable. So what we can do is we can set an exception for that. As it says here, select the part of the document and choose users who are allowed to freely edit them. So everyone can edit this particular line. As we can see that it is highlighted as a field. And now I want to start the enforcement when I applied all the settings. Yes, start the enforcing protection, and it will be protected via a password. So just choose a complex password so that even some document unlocking tools won't be able to unlock that. So for now, we will choose a simple password, click OK, and let's see how it works. Let's reopen the document. And now I have reopened the document. As we can see that whenever I want to make any particular changes, I want to delete this. I want to, let's say, I can just copy this, and we can see that cut, font, paste options are all disabled here. We can see on the home tab, we don't have any options enabled. What we can only change is this area. And on the right hand side, we see the restrict editing. This document is protected from unintentional editing. You may only view this region. So find the next region I can edit. It's only finding this one because we only can edit this area. And if you want to disable the highlighting where you can edit, you can just uncheck this and it will be shown as a normal document. If you want to highlight this, turn on again. And if you want to stop the protection, we can click on this button right here where we entered the password, and then we are good to go. We can make all the changes now. So this is how you can prevent your document from editing. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.